Hello, welcome if you're new here. I'm just gonna apply a lipstick before I'm going to apply the Summer Friday lip balm. So this is the applicator, just a little bit, just to hydrate my lips because that's the most important. So your lipsticks come out nice. So that's number one tip. And then I'm going to line my lips. I'm using this. What do I have here? I have this Lisa Eldridge, this color, guys. Okay. Just relax. I don't overline. Even though I have a small lips. And then just smudge it with your lips. I smudge it with your fingers. I just smudge it like this. And then, okay, so that's the color. Just not so bright, not so intense. And I like it.